It's so hard to tie knots when your hands are freezing, eh?
Slipped out of my finger, I can't even cast.
Woo.
Just seeing how brackish the water is.
How brackish is it? Salty?
Hey?
Is it salty?
It's salty and very dirty.
I was kind of hoping we'd get to the mouth today, but I don't think the tide going to be right. I kind of just want to drift down with the tide, you know what I mean? Oh, shit. Look. The bait junkies are that soft, eh?
I like that though.
Yeah, but like that wasn't actually snagged on the hook. Yeah, like it wrapped, the plastic's tail wrapped around it. Snagged? What is it, a stick? That's a PB stick, I reckon.
Holy, that's bright.
Yeah. It's nice and warm, it looks warm. Oh, yes.
Oh,
The smallest flathead in the world.
I got a practice one too. Oh, I thought smaller would have friggin' double clutch.
Didn't even feel the bite, just light it up. First fish of the morning. Whee! Settle.
Yeah.
First fish of the morning. The smallest flathead I've ever seen in my life. Oh well. First fish ticked off. Oh, I was getting belted then. Woo! Yeah. Again, is he on? Oh, I got him that time. Little Trev. Very little Trev. Grunting away. Oh, let go of the plastic, mate. Go on. There you go. That. Ow! Oh! Did you hear that surface hit behind me?
It wasn't a surface hit, something fell out of the tree.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I watched it.
Well, there you go. Second fish, tiny little trevally. See ya. Alright, we are out here in the kayaks. I'm with Sean. We're in a brand new system we've never been to. So this session is just an exploratory. Exploratory, is that a word? Is exploratory a word? Explorative? exploration.
Well, I would say exploratory.
Exploratory. We're having an exploratory session today. I've got the sounder with me. Like I said, we've never been here before. So yeah, we're just having a look, seeing what's around, hopefully catching some fish. We have gotten into a few fish already. I've gotten a micro flathead and a tiny trev. Sean's caught about 15 sticks and a trev.
And a brim.
And a micro brim as well. So we're doing pretty good so far. But yeah, we're just gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we get into something good. I'm really hoping to find a school of dewies on the sounder in this creek. That would be really cool. It would be even cooler if I can get one to eat. But yeah, just flathead, brim, anything like that. That's what we're pretty much after. So yeah, I'll keep going. Oh, that was a good fish. Just pulled the plastic off, and then I think the plastic gets in the way of the hook and pops the fish off. That was an alright fish, eh? Oh. I'm getting belted every time I throw in there, eh? They have to be trevally. Get him this time, ready? Can confirm, trevally. There you go, that's what we were getting hit from. Is that a boat or a plane? That's what we're getting hit from. Little trevs like that, they hit hard for their size. But yeah, they fight hard for their size. Like these ones are only little. There isn't really much of a fight, but you can be fooled for a much better fish. Right underneath me. Oh, it's not bad, eh? Oh, this is very difficult in a kayak. This is very difficult. I wonder if I... I'm in your snag, eh? Shit. Oh, he's got me. snapped off. Oh, that was a good fish. 10 pound. As soon as it went in that snag, that was it. Well, as you would have just seen, I lost a very good fish. It just ended up getting me in a big log. And yeah, busted me off. Oh well, I'll just lick my wounds, have a bit of a cry, and then get back into them. They're still coming on the sounder, so... Oh, that sucks, but what do you do? There's only so much you can do in a kayak, eh?
You're right.
Holy shit, that was a big trevally. Oh, he would have been about 60 centimeters, eh? Maybe, yeah, that could have been it. Oh, that scared me. Wind's a bit annoying now. Go hard. Yeah, Sean's hooked up. It'll be a nice trev, I reckon. Trev? Yeah. Little river banger.
Look at the slime just oozing off him. All I can smell is fish slime.
Yeah, it's gross. He doesn't know he's hooked. Trev. I want to get him in before he gets nailed by a bull shark. Calm down. Nice little trevally for the creek. There are so many of them down there. This one's a big eye. Sean got a little GT before, so there's a few. Slimy. Oh, just so slimy. Oh, got him that time. Oh, it's a trev. I just saw it surface. Another trev, eh? Oh, there's like 50 behind him. We can't. Quick! Oh. Going in. Whee! Yeah. He dead set had like shitloads of his mates behind him, eh?
They always do.
Yeah.
When I got my trev, there was a few following him.
Well, there you go. Another trevally. This one's a little GT. Oh, oh no, oh no. I'm gonna lose him. Oh well, round 2. Oh, kayaks, man. No room. Alright, let's try this again. No, let's not. Ugh.
How's it I found the snag?
Did you actually? Oh well. They're good fun. Oh, just got rattled again. I gotta hook up again here. I am. Oh. Yeah, look at the size of him. Well, this one didn't go quite as hard. Plenty of them down there. See you later. Nice little tailor.
Not bad.
Not what we want.
Fought hard.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised it didn't bite you off. They got gnarly teeth.
Razor teeth.
Piranha.
Bye. You fucking hit hard though.
Oh. I was busy changing camera batteries. And Sean has just caught the smallest mangrove jack I've ever seen in my entire life.
Oh,
Out in the open too.
I didn't even think they got that small.
Oh, you wait till you see this.
Dude.
Look at the size of that mangrove jack. He's a little bubby.
Hang on, I gotta hold it out, don't I?
Oh, I'm not sure if that counts, eh? That's cool. Oh well, that was really cool. Little mangrove jack. Out in the open. I'm gonna see if I can get into a few. Alright, I think that's gonna do us for today's session. Pretty successful. We caught fish, caught a heap of trevs, a few flathead, Sean got his mangrove jack, a few brim, but yeah. Like I said, today's session was all about just sussing out a new spot and seeing what it's like, and we caught some fish, we had fun. Gonna head back now and go home. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.